Stevie Sexton, just giving you a little video, bit of Australian wheat harvest, 4th of December 2020. It's parked way down there in the background on the horizon, Parkstown. We're about 25-30 kilometres west of Parks, about 30 k's northwest of Forbes down that way. Have a look at that sunset, sexy, beautiful. Look at it. Look at it. Glorious. It is outstanding. Glorious sunset, sexy. You can see that dust coming off the header. That there is BasisXC dust coming out of the straw. Beautiful bit of basis treated MAP fertilizer at sowing. Harvesting about 4.8 tonne to the hectare of H2 wheat